Good afternoon, this is Junex. Sir, so ningon kang you are looking forward to working animo mga workers. Unsay atong gi-look forward to animo mga workers karon nga na-renew ang atong CBA?
Basically sa atong usual, cooperation lang because we have a very good working relationship with our members union, with the management, and of course with ALU, no. So again, we really want to give whatever we can afford to give, and what we can, because again we believe in working together. One important thing.
Unsay nakaaghat ninyo nga inyong gi-renew ang ato ang CBA with animo mga trabahante? Unsay kining murag kining nganong inyong gi-renew ang atong CBA with mga workers nato?
Bottom line is we're satisfied with the way things are going. Then every year man kita mag-renew. So I think may expire naman pod. So again, bottom line we're happy with everything. So
what ay mga reklamo maayo gid ang inyong working relationship o ingon man ang ilang performances?
Yes, sorry. Well, yes, maayo gyud tanan, no? Then well, if ever wala man perfect nga ko, if ever na mga problems, mga humps along the way atong yung i-address and ma-address naman dayon. So
makatagag overview general lang sir og unsay general content provisions nga makapalipay sa mga workers aning maong CBA
sa kini atong design karon, I don't remember everything, but the usual ones we sign. Everybody has a signing bonus. Other than that, we also, I think we adjusted the rates,
ang ilang monthly salaries.
Mga monthly salary, Then ang uban, I think there were 3 or 4 more. I don't remember.
And of course, the usual nga mga bonuses, mga 13th month pay,
13th month, mga more leaves. I mean, I think we're doing 10 but 10 vacation, 10 sick leave. So the usual, as I said, I don't remember everything.
Pila na ka years ang atong maayong working relationship with ALU sa Employees Union, sir? Dugay-dugay na, no?
Dugay-dugay.
So congratulations.
I think wala pa ko na tao siguro siguro na partnership.
Okay. So sir, daghan kayong salamat ha. Thank you very much, sir.
Salamat po kaayo.
Thank you kayo.
Sige, thank you ha. Sige, thank you.